So what you can actually go ahead and do is also generate out data charts as you like as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say make a data chart of gold prices on a yearly basis for the past 10 years right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll actually go ahead and collect out the data as well. And then it'll simply go ahead and then make a data chart for it. So it says to create a data chart of gold prices on a yearly basis for the past 10 years, let's get the data. You can also go ahead and give it your own data. Like let's say, for example, you can actually go ahead and then give out an Excel sheet as well. But now you can see that Qwen actually cannot generate out the data chart directly. So it is actually telling me to use a visualization tool right here. So now what I'm simply going to go ahead and do now. So you can see that there's the final answer and then everything else right here. So now what I'm going to actually do is I can say something like for the data chart based on this information, give me HTML code for it. So if I were to actually go ahead and do this, then what happens is that it simply will give me HTML code, which will actually help us visualize the data chart easily. So you can see that this is what I have right here. So there's HTML code for data chart. It's simply writing it out. So we need to wait for it to actually finish generating. So it has finished generating, as you can see right here. And once that is done, you can simply go ahead and copy and then go ahead and paste this out right here. So once you go ahead and do that, I can simply, let's say, for example, I'm using a normal notepad option right here. So now I'm simply going to go ahead and save it out right here on my desktop as sample data.html right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that you got the data chart right there. So now I got the sample data. So if I open it in a browser, you can see that this is what you have right here. But you can say something like, give me the data in a bar diagram format right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it'll give me the HTML code accordingly as well. So we can simply go ahead and then edit out the HTML code as we like. So you can see that it is generating. So let's just go ahead right here and open out this HTML option. So I'm just going to go around over here and then edit it out with Notepad right here. So let's open edit with Notepad right here. So once that is done, I can simply go ahead and let's say, for example, this is the code that is being generated. So let's just go ahead and copy this and then go ahead and paste it and save it. And once you do that, let's refresh the page right here. And now you can see the data chart right here, just like this, as you can see. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you got all of the data right here. So now if I were to go ahead and do that, you can see that there's a bit of an error in the code, but you can simply go ahead and access tell it to fix it out as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, generate our data chart as you like inside of Qwen. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.